turn right at T-junction. I wouldn't. He's a bit too fast, yeah?
Yeah.
Now we can squeeze in the middle. And don't go further than the middle. Don't go further than the middle, Alyssa. And see, you're driving into the curb. So you're too sharp to the right, okay? See, it's putting you in the position where you can't see well. Do you see well?
Not really.
Okay. So let's go again. So you've made a mistake. Go a little bit wider and to the right, to the right. So what happened there, you got almost parallel with the road, which will always compromise your visibility. So you really have to go 45-degree angle or slightly less sharp. Slow down, check. So do it slightly differently on this one. Let's do it. Okay, and look as you go. Yeah, we can definitely clear. Look at that car, straight over to the far left now. Do you know your geometry?
Yeah.
Okay, so 90-degree would be that, okay? 45 would be that. And sometimes you learn from other people's mistakes. That's obviously a good way to learn, you know, because you're not risking anything. See that one? Oh, easy, slow down. So we couldn't have squeezed in because of that car. We've got a bunch of them coming from the left. So just sit here. Take a deep breath, no big deal. We can definitely go after the red. Go. No rush, no rush. A little bit sharper, but not too sharp. Easy. To the right. Okay. That time, you took it to a different extreme. You didn't go sharp enough. This one on the left. Second one coming in from the left. So you can even talk to yourself like this, okay? Whatever you prefer in the test. But look, this is the same as just one sort of side, okay? So, because you deal with one side at one time. Don't rush, look at that car. And there's no one from there. Go to the right lane, right's fine. And mirror. You see, that was a good angle. I'm not sure if you could see it because you were looking both ways. Could you see well?
I could see behind.
Well,
yeah.
That's the good angle. So try not to go sharper than 45-degree angle, but also don't go on a 90-degree angle because then your rear end might not quite fit inside the median strip opening. Indicate right. Mirror, ease off a little bit so that one gets in front of you. Look over your shoulder. That's it. Now they are letting you, even if that driver didn't recognize the merge, your blinker would have intrigued them to act, right?